Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. Happy New Year to you all. So today we're going to be doing fried green and egusi. The first thing you want to do in this recipe is to wash your beef thoroughly. You can use lime or lemon or both of them, and then you add water and then thoroughly wash that. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is seasoning our beef with salt and seasoning cube. Once that is done, go ahead and put that on your fire on low heat and let it cook until tender. Once the beef is almost ready, you're gonna go ahead and add your smoked fish just so that it could cook together. So fam, if you're new on my page, you're welcome to Nancy's Cuisine, where I teach you how to cook delicious recipes from scratch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell so that when I post a video, you're going to be the first to know. And why not drop a comment there? You're most welcome. Enjoy the recipe. Very. And there we go fam, our food is ready. Thank you so much for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in our next video. God bless you. Bye.